Today we are going to see how we can build a responsive UI in our Flutter app. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is our final product. I'm just created an app bar to show you how things work. So let's try it out. So this is our desktop view. You can see here desktop, and if we resize the window, and now it's tablet view. Now the UI changed. Okay, you can see the instead of this text widgets and these material buttons, now it's a action or it's an icon button. Like we can open a drawer here. I haven't implemented any drawer now. For this for the sake of simplicity, now it's just a constant UI. So if I even decrease the size, it will change to mobile. We can also try this in our inspect mode, and we can choose different device screen sizes. Let's try it out. So now it's iPhone 12 Pro, and let's say Surface Pro Duo. You can see it's adjusting itself according to the device. Okay, okay. Now it's in a step max. Now it's showing the big screen, I mean desktop view. So this is how we make. So this is our final product. So let's see how we build this. For making things easier, we are using a dependency that help us to achieve this responsive UI. It's called responsive builder. Add this to our pubspec.yaml file. I have already added it, and now let's go to our code. This is our program here. So there is nothing much here. We have three views here, three widgets here. But once our first widget home view, and it's nothing much. It's the main widget here, main view. That's we are showing in our main dot. And here we have two other widgets. This one, first one is mobile tab bar view to show tab bar in a mobile, or you can say tablet also. And then we have web tab bar views to show it in desktop or in a big screen. Okay, so in here we have like about us, find tutors, lessons, homes, and so many things like that. And in our home tab bar view, there is a icon menu to show the drawer. Okay, now let's see how we can build the UI. So first of all, let's use our web tab bar and see what happens if we don't use a responsive layout. Okay, and also make sure to add the uh, responsive builder in your pubspec.yaml. And now let's try this. I have added the web tab bar here. As you can see, this is our the UI. So if I try to change the resize the screen, resize the window, as you can see, okay now, okay now, okay now, okay now it's getting overflow error here. Our UI is not responsive now, so we are going to fix this by adding with the help of responsive builder. So let's get started. So as you can see in the documentation, we have different approaches to build a responsive layout. So I'm going with this screen type layout. It's simple and readable, so we can use that screen type layout instead of this web tab. We can say we can add screen type layout, and inside this we have different views like mobile, watch, tablet, and desktop. So we can work on that. And first of all, let's add our desktop view, and desktop view will be our web tab bar. And for mobile, it will be our mobile tab bar, and also for our tablet, it will be the mobile tab bar. Okay, now let's see our results. It's taking some time to restart. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now you can see it's in tablet mode, tablet view. And if I enlarge it, it will change it to web view, I mean our desktop view. Even if it's in full screen, it will be our desktop view. And if I decrease it, it will go to tablet view. Then it will, after that it will go to our mobile view, because our both tablet view and mobile view are same. There is no changes. For showing that, let's do something. We can wrap this in a column and add a text with it here, and you can say desktop, and let's do the same here. Wrap with column, here we need mobile, and inside here we need tablet. Okay, now let's try it. So now you can see, here we can see this is our mobile view, and if I enlarge it a bit, it will change it to tablet. If I enlarge it to some more larger, okay, now we can see desktop. So this is how we can make responsive UIs in Flutter using the help of responsive builder. So if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. And if you have any doubt or something like that, make sure you comment the question or doubt, anything it is in the comment section. And that's it guys, and make sure to like the video. So see you in the next video.